You mean tree?
I feel bad for my hand.
No, there's going to be trees.
No, one tree is probably 90,000 pieces of paper.
Okay, you sound
On
like
average.
paper
Okay,
routes for this.
so I could get the Y, the Z, or the X by itself. I'm going to go with the X. Doesn't matter. So, can you follow me if I go ahead, subtract 4Y, add 2Z? Can I go ahead and do that?
Yeah.
Alright, you have to add opposites to get it to the other side. Now please cross it off, because some people plug it into itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug all this in for X here, and in for X here. Let's do the first one. So I have 2 times negative 10 minus 4Y plus 2Z plus Y minus Z equals negative 1. You with me there? Plugged in for X here. Let's distribute. Negative 20 minus 8Y plus 4Z plus Y minus Z equals negative 1. By the way, notice my Z's are crossed. Mathematicians always cross their Z's so they do not look like 2's. Okay, let's combine. How many Y's do I have?
Negative 7.
Negative 7. How many Z's do I have?
3.
Plus 3Z. And then I have minus 20 still, right? Add 20 to the other side. 3. I'm left with 19 on the other side. Yeah? So, once I have it down to 2 variables, stop. Question so far. Now, I'm going to plug my X into the other equation.
Can we cross off the other equation if we want?
Yes, absolutely. Cross it off saying you've already done it. Here I have negative, parentheses, negative 10 minus 4Y plus 2Z minus 3Y plus Z equals 5. Distribute, I get 10 plus 4Y minus 2Z minus 3Y plus Z equals 5. Okay, how many Y's do I have? 1 Y. How many Z's? Negative 1. Then I have plus 10. Take it over, so I have Y minus Z equals negative 5. Okay, now it's smooth sailing because I now have a system with 2 unknowns. We could do substitution again, but I use elimination. Okay, I'm going to eliminate my Z. Sound good? So if I eliminate my Z, this one needs a 3. So this equation stays the same. Negative 7Y plus 3Z equals 19. This one will be 3Y minus 3Z equals negative 15. Add. Here I get negative 4Y, 0 equals 4. Bless you. So Y equals negative 1. Now, remember once you have one of the equations to your elimination problem, you have to go back to one of your originals? Let's do it here. I have negative 1 minus Z equals negative 5. Add 1. Divide by negative. Right? I add 1 to both sides. If you're an arrow diagram person, you can arrow diagram. Okay? You with me so far? But here's the other thing. I only found Y and Z. Go up to the very beginning, right here. I need to find X. So I'm going to plug them in. X thank you. Yeah, okay, yeah. Speak up, guys.
I know that's one.
Because that would make the whole thing wrong, and that would make me furious if you let me do the whole problem wrong. So let's see. -4, 4. Yes? Okay, thank you. I've been furious if you let me go on there and there. Especially with a problem that takes like 10 minutes to do. So, let's go back and put that in there. What was it? 4 or -4? 4?
4.
Okay. So -10 plus 4 plus 8. So what will x be?